Do you face issues with your Ariston Clas One condensing boiler and you see this error message? I can help you with that. Let's understand the reason behind. Your Ariston boiler can start according to the user manual because there is no flame detection and it is belonging to the group 5. And 01 it's indicating there is no flame. And accordingly to the installation manual, ignition and detection 5B1, the first ignition failed, so your boiler can't start. Now, what can you do about and what is the reason? Usually there are two reasons. One, there is no gas and the gas provider is stop the gas, or you don't just simply not receiving any gas, which is a very dangerous situation. So call somebody who knows how to troubleshoot the gas leakages. It's very dangerous again. Or the most common issue is that something it's stuck in your system, or there is a water overflow in your condensing area part, and for that you can clean your condensing pipe section and just follow this video, these steps, and that will solve your issues. You might have to let it dry for a few minutes, maybe an hour, and it will automatically start. And you can even press the reset button a few times just to be sure that the error has been vanished if it's not vanishing automatically. If this video were helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Thank you very much.